Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode here on The Car. If you're new to the channel, this is the place where we dive into the latest cars and bikes, compare models, break down features, and give you real talk on what's worth your money. Whether you're here for the raw performance, daily commuter options, or budget rides that don't cut corners, we've got you covered. So if that sounds like your vibe, make sure you subscribe and join the ride. Now, today's video is all about a bike that's not flashy, not loud, and definitely not overhyped, but what it does bring to the table is reliability, affordability, and legendary fuel economy. We're talking about the Honda Dream 110. This is a no-nonsense commuter bike made for the real world, ideal for students, workers, delivery riders, or just anyone looking for an efficient, trustworthy two-wheeler that gets the job done without drama. Let's start with what kind of bike the Honda Dream 110 really is. This isn't designed for track racing or long-distance touring. It's made for cities, small towns, and narrow streets. It's made for stop-and-go traffic, bumpy roads, and fuel savings. In short, it's a utility-first motorcycle, and honestly, that's why so many people love it. The Dream 110 fills that sweet spot between affordability and Honda-level dependability. Design-wise, it's exactly what you'd expect from a practical commuter bike. It has a clean, slim profile that's easy to maneuver and park even in tight spaces. The overall styling is simple, neat, and practical. No sharp edges or aggressive curves, just smooth lines in a well-balanced shape. It usually comes in standard color options like red, black, and blue, giving it a classic, no-frills look. You've got alloy wheels that add a slightly modern touch, a comfortable seat for two, and a durable build that can take daily wear and tear. Now let's talk about what powers this machine. The Honda Dream 110 comes equipped with a 109.2cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This motor produces around 8 horsepower and 8.5 Nm of torque. Now that might not sound like a lot on paper, but for a bike that weighs around 100 kilograms, it's actually a decent amount of power for city rides. You won't be flying down the freeway, but you'll have plenty of pull to get ahead of traffic or climb moderate slopes without any issues. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The gear shifting is smooth and easy to learn, even for beginner riders. In fact, this bike is often recommended for people just starting out with motorcycles because it's so easy to handle. The clutch isn't too heavy, the throttle response is smooth, and the overall control is forgiving, making it perfect for riders of all experience levels. Where the Honda Dream 110 really shines is fuel efficiency. Honda has a reputation for making fuel-efficient engines, and this bike takes that legacy to the next level. Depending on riding conditions and how well you maintain the bike, you can get anywhere between 65 to 74 kilometers per liter. That translates to roughly 153 to 174 miles per gallon. Yes, you heard that right, over 150 miles per gallon. With a fuel tank that holds around 8 liters, you could go several days, or even weeks, without needing to stop at the gas station, depending on your usage. In terms of ride quality, the Dream 110 offers a comfortable experience for daily commutes. It features telescopic front suspension and dual rear shock absorbers. This suspension setup handles potholes, speed bumps, and general road imperfections reasonably well. It's not as smooth as a cruiser or as rugged as a dual sport, but for the price and category it belongs to, it does the job pretty well. Braking is handled by drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels. Some people might prefer disc brakes for better stopping power, but drum brakes are still common in this segment because they're cheaper to maintain and perfectly adequate for city riding. Plus, fewer complicated parts means fewer things to go wrong. One more thing we should mention is the seat height and ergonomics. The seat is low enough for shorter riders to feel confident, and the upright riding position means no pressure on your wrists or back. You can easily ride it for long hours without feeling uncomfortable. The foot pegs, handlebar, and seat are all positioned to give you a relaxed and controlled feel throughout your ride. There aren't too many high-tech features on this bike. You won't find Bluetooth, navigation, or fancy digital displays. Instead, you get a basic analog instrument cluster that shows your speed, fuel level, and gear position. But the beauty of the Dream 110 lies in its simplicity. It's easy to maintain, easy to understand, and easy to live with. The bike starts with either a kickstart or an electric starter, depending on the model and market, and both options are reliable. Now let's get into the price, because this is where the Honda Dream 110 really stands out. Depending on where you are, this bike can cost anywhere from $950 to $1,200 USD. In countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, or India where 110cc bikes are extremely popular, it's positioned as one of the most budget-friendly bikes you can buy from a trusted global brand like Honda. And that's not just about the initial cost, what you're really getting is a long-term investment. Maintenance is cheap, spare parts are widely available, and fuel savings over time make this bike one of the most cost-effective options on the market today. So who is this bike for? Honestly, almost anyone. If you're a college student on a budget, this bike saves you gas money. If you're working a delivery job, it'll handle your daily grind with ease. If you're someone who just wants a reliable ride to get to work every day without worrying about breakdowns or high service costs, the Dream 110 is perfect. It's one of those bikes that doesn't try to be cool, it just works, and keeps working. That's the kind of vehicle we don't talk about enough these days. Everybody's chasing speed, gadgets, or status. But the Honda Dream 110 reminds us that sometimes, less is more. Sometimes, what you really need is a bike that starts every morning, gets you where you're going, and doesn't empty your wallet. So that's our full breakdown of the Honda Dream 110. What do you think? Would you consider riding this as your daily commuter? Do you prefer practicality over features? Or are you the type of rider that needs more power and tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning into the car. We've got more content coming your way, cars, bikes, reviews, comparisons, and everything in between. If you found this video helpful or interesting, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drop. Until next time, ride safe, keep it simple, and we'll catch you in the next